In this class, we are going to discuss about introduction of quadrilaterals, chapter 8. So, observe this topic, quadrilateral. What about the quadrilateral? Various types of the quadrilaterals we will discuss in this class. So, observe carefully. So, first we should know the definition of the quadrilateral. So what is the definition of the quadrilateral? Quadrilateral is bounded by four line segments. What? Quadrilateral is bounded. Quadrilateral is a plane figure and it is bounded by four line segments. We studied already. We know well about the line segment. Line segment having two endpoints. Line having two endpoint, that one is called line segment. Line segment length is fixed. So once we are having four line segments and these line segments are bounded, then we are getting what? Quadrilateral. Clear? So there are the various types of the quadrilaterals given. These all are what? Like A, B, C, D, P, Q, R, S, again this A, B, C, D, P, Q, R, S and this one. These five diagrams are there. These all are what? Quadrilaterals. So, various types of the quadrilaterals we are having, like first one is the parallelogram. Now, what about the parallelogram? It is a quadrilateral, no doubt at all. Parallelogram is a quadrilateral having opposite sides are parallel. In the parallelogram, is a quadrilateral having opposite sides are parallel, like this one. This is the parallelogram. This is what? Parallelogram in which opposite sides means PQ, its opposite side is what? RS. PQ opposite side is this one. So these two sides are parallel and this one is opposite of this one. QR is opposite of PS. These two sides also parallel. So in the parallelogram, a quadrilateral. Parallelogram is a quadrilateral having opposite sides are parallel. Once we are having quadrilateral and that one opposite sides are parallel, then that quadrilateral is called what? Parallelogram. So this one opposite sides are parallel. So this one is what? Parallelogram. And parallelogram is what? Types of a quadrilateral. Clear? Now, similarly, we are having rhombus. Rhombus is a parallelogram. Clear? And both are the quadrilateral, no doubt. So, rhombus is this one is the rhombus. Why? Because all sides are equal. A parallelogram having all sides are equal, then that one is called what? Rhombus. Clear? Now, next one is the what? Rectangle and square. Now what about the rectangle? A parallelogram, rectangle is a parallelogram whose each angle is 90 degree. Rectangle is a parallelogram. Observe, rectangle, square, both are what? Both are what? Quadrilaterals. All these are the quadrilaterals, but we are having different names. First one is the parallelogram, second one is the rhombus, now next one is the rectangle, then square, then trapezium and kite. These all are the quadrilateral. But what is the difference in these we are discussing? So rectangle is a parallelogram whose each angle is 90 degree. Now this is the parallelogram, but in which angle is not 90 degree. But these all four angles are 90 degree. These all four angles are 90 degree. Then what we can say? That one is what? Rectangle. A rectangle is a parallelogram whose each angle is 90 degree. Each angle is 90 degree. Then this one will be what? 90 degree. Then we can say this one is what? Rectangle. So rectangle is a parallelogram having each angle is 90 degree. This one is the 90 degree. This one is the 90 degree. This one is also 90 and this one is also 90. Clear? Sum of these all angle will be 360. So what we can say? Quadrilateral is bounded by four line segment four line segments and sum of all angles in a quadrilateral having four angles, and sum of these all angles will be what? 360 degree. Sum of all angles will be what? 360 degree. So rectangle is a parallelogram whose each angle is 90 degree. Next one is square, a rectangle having all sides equal. Square is a rectangle. Square is what? Rectangle. But a rectangle having all sides equal. This is the rectangle and its all sides are equal. Then we can say we are getting square. Once in a rectangle all sides are equal, that one is what? Square. It means square is a rectangle and rectangle having all angles are 90 degree, and rectangle is what? Parallelogram, and parallelogram is what? Quadrilateral. So we can say these all are what? Quadrilaterals. Now next one is trapezium, a quadrilateral having two opposite sides are parallel and two opposite sides are not parallel. A quadrilateral trapezium, this one is the trapezium. A trapezium is a quadrilateral having opposite, two sides are parallel. A quadrilateral having two opposite sides are parallel. This and this one both are opposite sides and this pair is parallel, but this and this one are opposite sides but they are not parallel. So two sides having two opposite sides are parallel and two opposite sides are non-parallel. Two opposite sides are parallel but two opposite sides, one pair of opposite sides is not parallel. Then that one is called what? Trapezium. What? Trapezium. Clear? Now last one is the kite. What about the kite? A quadrilateral having two pairs of adjacent. A quadrilateral having two pairs of adjacent sides are equal. Two pairs of adjacent sides are equal. Now this is the quadrilateral. It's two pair of sides. This pair of sides and this pair of sides are equal. A quadrilateral having two pairs of adjacent side. Adjacent side means they are starting from the same point. From this one, this to this side, this to this side. This side and this one both are adjacent. Clear? They are having common vertex. Clear? So this and this one both are adjacent side and this one both are adjacent side. So a quadrilateral having two pairs of adjacent sides are equal. Two pair of adjacent sides. This one equal to this one and this one equal to this one. Then we can say that one is what? Kite. So in this class we are studying what? Quadrilaterals and various types of the quadrilaterals. So simple, again I am revising 1 to 2 minutes. Quadrilateral is what? Bounded. Quadrilateral is bounded by four line segments and sum of all angles in a quadrilateral will be what? 360 degree. Clear? Now various types are there. First one is a parallelogram. Now parallelogram having opposite sides are parallel. This one is a parallelogram in which opposite sides are parallel. Clear? And next one is rhombus, a parallelogram having all sides equal. Rhombus is a parallelogram but all sides are equal. This one will be what? Rhombus. Rectangle is a parallelogram whose each angle is 90 degree. Rectangle is a parallelogram. Rectangle is also a parallelogram but each angle is what? 90 degree. Square is a rectangle but all sides are equal. Clear? Now next one, trapezium in which two opposite sides are parallel and two opposite sides are not parallel. Clear? And kite in which two pair of adjacent sides are equal. Two pair of adjacent sides are equal. This will be what? Kite. So we studied various types of the quadrilaterals, meaning of the quadrilateral. I hope you understand this topic. That's all about this class. Thank you so much.